Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today I will show you how to view replies on X. Okay, so let me open X on my phone and I need to go to whatever post that I want to read comments on, and I want to tap at the top of the post to open its details. And now if you scroll down to the section with comments, you will basically see all replies on X. And also you can sort them right here by latest, relevant, and likes. Also, if you want to see your replies on X, then you have to tap your profile picture at the top left and basically go to your profile. And here, as you can see, we have several sections such as posts, replies, highlights, etc. And you want to enter replies tab, and here you will see all your replies. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.